Hey everyone, welcome back. I was browsing through a few mobile gaming discussions recently when I came across a claim that caught my attention. Some players were talking about a supposed way to get extra gems in Rogue Legend without using a PC, installing unofficial apps, or making any changes to your device. I wasn't sure whether there was any truth to it, so I decided to test the claim myself and record the entire process from beginning to end. In this video, I'll show you exactly what I tried, what I observed, and then you can decide for yourself what you think. All right, let's jump into the test and see how it goes. The first thing I needed before I could continue was my player ID from inside Rogue Legend. I launched the game, opened the profile section, and located the unique ID connected to my account. Once I found it, I copied it so I wouldn't have to keep switching between the game and my browser while going through the rest of the test. That part was quick and straightforward, taking only a few seconds before I was ready for the next step. With my player ID copied, I opened Chrome and visited the website that had been mentioned in several Rogue Legend discussions online. After the page loaded, I searched for Rogue Legend and opened the section related to the game. I then followed the instructions that were presented so I could evaluate the claim for myself and document how the process unfolded from beginning to end. Once everything was complete, the next step was simply to return to the game and check whether anything had actually changed. Once I was on the page, there was a short form to fill. I picked my platform, iOS or Android, I'm on Android, and pasted in that player ID I saved. I double-checked it, hit connect, and it linked up with my account in just a few seconds. I'll be honest, I was a bit skeptical, but the page seemed to be using secure connections, so I rolled with it. Once it connected, it showed me different amounts of resources I could add. I picked the one that felt right for my account and pressed the generate button. From there, I just let the system do its thing in the background. Apparently, it routes through different servers and all that technical stuff. Right before the resources were supposed to land, there was a quick verification pop-up. They said it's there to stop bots from abusing the system, which honestly makes sense. It was simple. Just needed me to grab a free app from the official store and complete a tiny task inside it. They even had a short guide if you get confused. Took maybe 5 minutes. A little extra work, but nothing painful. This was the part I was most interested in. After completing the process, I reopened Rogue Legend and checked my account to see whether anything had actually changed. The extra gems were already there immediately. I didn't even have to restart the game. Everything appeared right away. I honestly didn't expect it to happen. And that wraps up the full test. You've now seen every step exactly as I went through it, so you can make your own judgment about the claims. If you've come across similar methods online or you've investigated one yourself, let me know about your experience in the comments. I'm always interested in hearing what other players have found. If you enjoyed this type of mobile game experiment and want to see more reviews and investigations, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. There are plenty more tests coming soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.